Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can merge two Facebook pages. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, what you need to do is just make sure both pages qualify. You can only merge if you are admin of both pages. Pages have similar names and pages represent the same thing. And pages have same business info like address and category. Now what you gotta do is just rename and match the pages. So to increase approval, match the name similar, make categories and address identical, add the same phone number and website, and after that go to merge tool on open open Facebook on your desktop, and go to settings and then page settings and then select general and then click merge pages on search merge in the settings, and then choose the two pages. Select the page you want to keep and then select the page you want to merge into. And then confirm the merge. Facebook will show a confirmation, photos, posts, and reviews from old move that that you got. The old page gets deleted after merging. If the merging option doesn't show up, Facebook thinks the pages don't match. Fix the name, category, and info. Just wait for 24 to 48 hours, and then you're done. So you just gotta have three main things. You gotta have matching names, matching category, and matching info, and you're good. You'll be able to merge your pages. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this truly helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.